Today in Scavenge and Sell we have the Yamaha PSR-12 Yamaha Keyboard. This item's in really good shape. It's got the power adapter with it and the little music rack for the back. I don't see any real scratches or scuffs on this. It looks like it was pretty well kept, and it does work. We can do the demonstration mode. Volume down a little. Volume controls all seem pretty good. We can just play the keyboard. This is the bass chords over here. I don't know what exactly that does there, but different bass chords here, synth, tuba, all that. And we've got the sort of synchro thing here. There you go. Got the beat going and everything. It does have a sustain mode where it'll hold and then that's sustain on. This is sustain off. You see it's not carrying the note through unless I hold it. Volume control works. It's got a bunch of different settings on here for the orchestra and the different types of rhythms that you can do. Change it up a little bit. Stop that. Everything seems to work. Check out the auction.